Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Alhamdulillah, in this pandemic situation, we can continue our studying regularly. I hope you all are studying regularly at home. Students, before starting our class, today I ask you some questions and you will give the answers within 2 seconds. Let's start. From which month we are locked in home? March or May? Yes, students, March. How many years has been passing from our liberation war? 48 years or 49 years? Yes, students, 49 years. What type of government are prevailing in Bangladesh? Dictatorship, democracy. Democracy is prevailing in Bangladesh. Again, Republican or constitutional monarch? Republican government is prevailing. Federal or unitary? Yes, unitary. Parliamentary form of government or presidential? Parliamentary form of government. Very good, students. Let's move to our today's topic. Our today's topic from chapter 7, Government of Bangladesh. Do you know the characteristics of Government of Bangladesh? This is the logo of Bangladesh government. And Bangladesh government has 4 characters. One is democratic state, 2 republic government, 3 unitary state, and 4 parliamentary system. Let's explain this characteristic. The first character of Bangladesh government is democratic state. Students, do you remember what is democracy? Yes, students, in democracy, people can give their opinion. As a democratic state, the people are the owner of the Bangladesh. Look at the picture, students. What do you see in the picture? In this picture, many of people are try to touch the democracy, and here they are try to applying their freedom, their participation, their choice, and they can raise their voice, they get their rights, everything. That's why Bangladesh is a democratic state. Number 2, republic government. In the definition of republic government, we are already known that in republic government, people are chose their government by voting. And in Bangladesh, we are choosing our government by voting. The name of this government is People's Republic of Bangladesh. Number 3, unitary state. We all know that Bangladesh has no provinces, and the whole administration is run from the center. Center means our cabinet. Our one cabinet controls the whole administration. This is our parliament. And Bangladesh have one chamber of parliament. And this is the character of unitary state. Number 4, parliamentary system. In this system, constitutional head runs the government, and the constitutional head of the Bangladesh government is our Prime Minister. In this system, the priority of legislature is ensured here and cabinet is accountable to the legislature for these activities. This is the cabinet of Bangladesh government, and this cabinet is accountable to the legislature. Legislature means parliament, and the cabinet means our ministry. Our ministry is accountable to our parliament for their activities, and these all are the characteristics of Bangladesh government. Now, state policy. Every state has some policies to run the state. Bangladesh government has also some policies. According to original constitution and last amendment of constitution, there are 4 fundamental policies. The policies are: number 1, democracy, nationalism, socialism, and secularism. Let's explain. Number 1, democracy. This policy is to ensure people's participation in all activities. What do we see in the picture? Here, some people are raising their voice to fulfill their demand. In democracy, people can give their opinion, and this is the policy of our government. Number 2, nationalism. Unity and fraternity or brotherhood are the basis of Bengali nationalism. In 1952, for the Bengali nationalism, we can achieve our Bangla language, and this is our nationalism. Number 3, socialism. What do we see in the picture, students? In this picture, we are seeing the imbalance of economy, but this is not the objective of socialism. The objective of this policy is equal distribution in economy and ensure facilities for all. Like this. In this picture, we are seeing the balance of economy, and this is the policy of our state. Number 4, secularism. It means every citizen can participate his or her religion equally. Nobody can create barrier to other in practice of religion. This is the picture of Poila Boishakh. In this occasion, we all are participate, and here no religions are the create barrier. That's why Bangladesh is a secularism country. These 4 are the fundamental state policy of Bangladesh government. Let's summarize the topic. Today we have no types of government of Bangladesh. The 4 types of government: democratic state, republic government, unitary state, and parliamentary system. And secondly, we have no fundamental state policies of Bangladesh. Number 1, democracy. Number 2, nationalism. Number 3, socialism. And number 4, secularism. Students, I hope you all are understand clearly these topics. You have already take a worksheet in your web. Please solve this worksheet and send me to my email. Thank you very much, student.